back to my channel. Today, evidently, I have a lot to unpack. I've ordered a bunch of things like ring light and a hard drive and the most exciting part, a mic, because I am tired of screaming into my camera. I think that's an area I really want to upgrade on, and I'm glad I got the Rode video micro for this. That's one of the best mics on the market. This is what everyone uses on YouTube. And I just got the Neewer 10-inch ring light, which I think is this big boy. And let's get unpacking because I've been waiting for this the whole day. Just to show you what I'm currently dealing with, I use a laundry basket on top of a table as my tripod. That's why I really need this ring light with a tripod so I can move around. So starting off, it comes with the Neewer branding on the top. Woo! I got the ring light here. So this one comes with a remote for camera, iOS, and also Android. And it already comes with a mount, but I ordered one separately to hold the video micro. Sturdy, to be honest, and let's set it up now. All you need to do is open these knots here and just extend it. So if you loosen this up, it actually extends more my height. I'm just showing you the first impressions of all these, and like if you want to upgrade as a small YouTuber as well, this is it. This is the Neewer 10-inch ring light that I ordered off of Amazon. I think it was like $60, so it's pretty affordable. I don't know, at first glance, I think it's pretty professional for an amateur kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Like, it's sturdy, like it doesn't move, but I don't know if it will do the same in like windy situations outside if you take it outside. But like, it's made of good material, I can say that. It does look very professional, even the ring light. It looks made out of plastic rather than glass. And yeah, you have to connect like a power bank and adjust these settings. So let's try that out now. And it's going to show this red light when you turn it on. I'm so excited. I'm like a baby on Christmas.
One eternity later.
So you have to keep pressing it down for it to turn on. I'm like, why is it not turning on? Do I have to return it? Like, I'm so excited, but whoa! Let's turn it to my side. Okay. And then you can press the brightness. I'm blinding. Blinded by the light. I'm so excited. Seems like I'm in a movie, like it's so bright in my face. You can turn it down. You have to keep pressing it. It doesn't like do it smoothly. You have to keep pressing it. So it goes to different temperatures. So it can go warmer or it could go brighter. You can adjust it like 90 degrees, so that's really cool. We'll be using this buddy a lot. I'm pretty proud of it, and like we're gonna do a before and after comparison towards the end. So if you want to skip to that, there are timestamps in the description, and we'll just move on to the next item right now. Oh, they just gave me a heart attack because the other items are like in these little compartments. So check those, because I was like, this is supposed to come with like another phone holder right here, so you can record like either reels from that and like YouTube videos from the top, because you know YouTube videos have to be landscape, whereas reels have to be vertical, which is a problem I've been having since the beginning. I am not able to turn my videos into reels, so that's really handy. And I'll just put the ball head on the ring light, and it has a cold shoe, so you can just slide it in there. And then so I think I'm going to change this because I have a tripod mount that's going to hold my mic. So I don't think we're going to need this, but anyway, I'm just going to... That's the remote. I'm putting it just under here. So slide it in. It's blinking. and it has this other phone holder. Alright. Okay, that's my tripod setup. It has the remote down here, it has the phone holder, the other phone holder, and yeah, it's pretty great to be honest. I'm pretty proud of it. I had not many expectations, but it is great, I must say. So let's open the mic now, which I'm really excited about. Okay, we have 3 more packages to go. I think this can be the mic, just cause I can feel it's like heavy. Okay, let's see what the Rode Video Micro has, huh? It's so tight. Okay, we'll just open it like this. Ah, it already comes together! Okay, so here we have the Rode Video Micro. They give you a dead cat with it, and this is the part that I was talking about. Like, this will only hook onto a cold shoe. I just learned that techie language, so I'm telling you that. But this feels like so heavy, this mic. Like, it's more heavier than the tripod, I must say, but I love that it will be matching with the tripod. Such a girly thing to say. This is supposed to go in there, but this will not be compatible with my phone. That's why I got another cable. We're just gonna unbox that. I need in here. It was an extra $15, I think. This is also by Rode. Don't buy any other ones. I've heard those don't work. So just buy the ones that Rode sells. This is the SC7, so it goes from TRS to TRS. I'll show you the difference. So you see how one of them has 3 lines while the other one has 2? So we want the 3 if you have an Android phone. I'm going to be hooking that up with the mount on the tripod, so let's just open the mount now. Real excited for it because this is the last thing on the haul. So this is the mount I was talking about. I think it's like $18, but you know, if something's not going to hook on to your tripod, then what's the point? And I got this by the brand Olanzi. It said it can hold a Rode mic. So I was like, okay, I trust you. So you just open it like that, and it's so sturdy, I cannot believe it. So let's hook on the Rode mic to this. So the thing is, the cold shoe doesn't fully go in because of this big mount. I just don't know. Maybe it'll work. I'm going to take this tripod out. I'm so proud of it because I did all my research and I couldn't find the exact things that would be compatible with my phone, and I have a ring light, I don't have the mic with itself. So with this setup you can use your phone, record with your phone professionally, you know, your camera would be enhanced with the ring light, your audio would be enhanced very much so with the Video Micro, and I'll just hook up my phone to it and see the before and after. So this is the before. I'll be talking some so you have some idea. Okay, let's try like a tongue twister. Sally sells seashells at the seashore. So that was the before, and let me just turn on the ring light now. Look at that, oh my god. And I'm so glad to be standing up, like otherwise I would have to put the camera down and sit down myself. So this is the warm temperature of the ring light, and this is brighter one. So I'll just put the bright one on, but then everything else looks dark, so I don't know. How does it look? And I'll just switch on the mic now and let's see how that performs. Okay, hopefully you can hear me in clarity right now, so I'll just do the tongue twister again for you to see how it sounds like. She sells seashells on the seashore. So I'll just see how the mic is performing, and I'll give you a little review and first impression of how I like it. Okay, I won't deny there was a whole lot less background noise and white noise and like noises of the fridge, but I don't know, like I don't know if it's really picking up my voice, so let me just try coming in front of it. So she sells seashells on the seashore, so I'm just trying it without the dead cat now, just to see if it works better, because the before video sounds a bit more louder than the after video. So I don't know, you guys be the judge and tell me how it sounds. So she sells seashells on the seashore. Can you hear me more clearly now? I am a bit more closer to the mic now, so I don't know. So I just put the dead cat on, and it sounds much better when I'm closer to the mic. So I have to be like this close to the mic for it to pick up my sound like a bit louder. But I don't know, you guys be the judge and tell me if this setup was worth it or not. I no longer have to use my laundry basket and my table as a tripod. I'm really glad about the tripod, like, and the ring light. Like, I'm really glad about it. I know it makes the rest of the room seem a bit darker, and I don't know, I'll play around with it and see which settings is better. That was my Amazon haul with my updated video gear, and if you're a small YouTuber like me, do invest in these for sure. I'm not really sure about the mic, which a lot of people are. I don't know why, like I don't know, maybe it's good for vlogging. But anyway, it was a budget setup. All in all this cost me $171 without the external hard drive. The most expensive thing was the mic, which was $77, and I also paid for the cable, that was $14. So it was more expensive, but I'm really happy with the tripod. But I'll have everything linked down below. I'm really glad I invested into this. And it makes me want to take YouTube a bit more seriously as well, and I have the hard drives to export all my videos and all that. So like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Look at the mess I've made. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells, I look oily, but at least you can see me. And the background seems blurred, so that's nice. Oh my god, my highlighter. You can see my highlighter now.